Hi, I'm English teacher Kebab, and today I want to talk about the letter and the word I. Well, let's start with the word I. I is not only a letter, it's a word that means the same thing as me, but they're not used the same way. I is a subject pronoun. For example, I am a man. Me is an object pronoun. For example, she gave me a book. The subject is who or what is doing or being something. The object is who or what is receiving the action of a verb. Like all vowels, the letter I has a long sound. It is when I says its own name. I. Some examples: ice, nice, bike, right, right, and twice. Yes, there's two different ways to say right. This is right, like your right hand, and this here is right when you write something. Also, like all vowels, the letter I has a short sound. Some examples: it, hit, bit, wit, Indian, English, in, and win. It, it. When I is paired with the letter A after it, the letter I usually makes a different sound. It oftentimes sounds like a long E. For example, Indian, immediate, media, via. So the first I in Indian, I, second one, E, Indian, immediate, immediate, and then media and via. When I is combined with the letters to form TION, the combination usually says shun. For example, vacation, nutrition, combination, and valuation. Of course, in English, there are exceptions to everything I just said. To read the article that corresponds with this video, visit English Teacher Kebab /I is for me. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.